Baby, every girl dreams of a beautiful wedding. I can now say, today is my turn. Unfortunately, I'm not as lucky as most girls who are given away by their fathers, but having a man like you in my life means the world to me. Besides God and my Abelardo, you are the only man who ever shown me real love. I just want today to be about us, dancing and having a great time. We are celebrating our beautiful union of 15 years. Love, your wife, Marisol. Thank you very much.
To love of my life. My better half. The moment has come. That moment that has made your blood pump as that moment. That day you dream of, and I am ecstatic that this dream, I am ecstatic that this day I get to be a very important part of as your husband and guest of honor, laughing out loud. Thank you for being you. Thank you for making me part of your life. If life started tomorrow again, I know God will place me in your path as your life partner. Because by no means imaginable, there is a more pure union than ours. Love you forever. Dreams do come true. Love you.